Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can put a table inside Google Forms questions. So here in Google Form, if you want to add a table, unfortunately there is no direct feature where you can draw or maybe insert a table in here like on Google Sheets or Google Docs. So if you want to add a table into this Google Form question, you can just add the image of the table. So here I'm going to show you how. First, you can just add the questions, and here click on the image button in here, photos icon. Click on this. So you need to prepare a photo of the table. So I've already screenshot the photo of the table, so you can just click on browse if you already done that too, and find the picture, so the photo of the table, for example in here. Okay, so I'm going to just add this photos right here. You already see this is a screenshot photo, so you can use a snipping tool, this one, on your computer, or a print screen button on your keyboard. So here is the table, so you can just insert the question in here, and this is the table. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.